Okay guys, so it's a well-known fact that time is money, and because we only have 24 hours a day, well, that means that we better make the best use of it. So what if I told you that you can save 42% of the time you spend on creating blog posts by using one single tool that only costs $499 per year? Would these $499 be worth saving 42% of your time? If you answered yes to this question, then keep watching as I demonstrate why this solution might be the right one for you. Okay guys, so if you're still collaborating the old-fashioned way on your blog post, meaning using Google Docs to add inline comments and participate on the same document, and once you're done you still have to copy and paste everything into WordPress manually, as you can clearly see, you are wasting your time here, and a lot of time is gone into just copy, pasting, and not being able to communicate properly with your colleagues. Now, what if we could have all the features of Google Docs, inline comments, suggestions, and things like this directly built into WordPress? Wouldn't that be fantastic? Well, good news guys, because today I'm going to introduce you to Multicollab, and as you can see, we have it installed already. So what's the first thing that you can do? Well, you can invite your coworkers, your colleagues to join you and work and collaborate on the same blog post. For this, all you have to do is click on this button here, and you can invite anyone just by using their email address. So let's invite David here as an example, and then you can set a specific role. Will they be a viewer or a commenter? So let's say commenter in this case. And then you can add a message to your email as well. So perhaps something like this, hey Dave, need your help with this blog post, please, thanks. And then send the message. There you go, as you can see, a confirmation that the invitation was sent. And now David will receive an invitation via email. As you can see, you are invited to collaborate, and then the title of the blog post. And now all he has to do is click on this button here, and he will have access to the blog post without needing any credentials. And now you can start collaborating on your blog post. So instead of wasting time copy and pasting everything from Google Docs, you can start immediately from WordPress. And we can also collaborate immediately from here. So let me show you those amazing features. Okay, so first let's add an inline comment. Okay, so we have the sentence here. The answer to these challenges lies in Multicollab. So maybe we want to link this directly to our landing page. We're going to ask David, our coworker, to do that for us. Okay, so what we need to do is basically highlight this. As you can see, I have the plus sign. So let's add an inline comment, and then we're going to tag David immediately. Okay, so at David. There it is. And now we can type our message. So perhaps please add a hyperlink to our landing page. As you can see, you can also assign this directly to David, in which case he will be responsible for marking it as done. If you leave it unticked, well, either of us can mark it as done afterwards. So let's post our comment. And as you can see, I have a reminder here to not forget to save this as a draft. So click save. And now from David's screen, he will see your message. All he has to do is click on this, and he will be brought immediately here. And as you can see, this is highlighted in vivid yellow. So he knows exactly which part of the content needs to be taken care of. And then he can read your message. Please add a hyperlink to our landing page. So he can just do so. Okay, so click on this, add the hyperlink, Control V, enter. There you go. And once this is done, he can add a reply. So for instance, done, I'll mark this as done. So let's post our reply first. And as you can see right here, we have a checkbox. So click on this and then resolve this thread. Yes. Very good. And as you can see, those changes have taken place and the hyperlink is there already. Now back to John Doe's screen. As you can see, all the activities are recorded here. So I can follow along very easily and know exactly what's happening on your blog post. And now if we scroll down the page, you can also add inline comments on images. So if you click on the image, as you can see, you can add your own comment as well. So perhaps you are concerned whether or not this image is royalty free. So maybe you can leave a comment here. So not too sure if this image is royalty free, please upload the attached instead. And now you can attach a document to your comment. All you have to do is click on the paperclip here, and then you can upload any image you want. So let's select this one instead, select, and let's post our comment. All right, and now from David's screen, as you can see, you can read your comment. Not too sure if this image is royalty free. Please upload the attached instead. So all you have to do now is to click on the image here, the link. It will open up in a new tab. Now you can right click, save the image and upload it instead of this one. And there you go. Now you can mark this as done. So mark it resolved. Yes. And now let me show you the next amazing feature, which is called suggestion mode. So for this, first we need to enable it. So we go to Multicollab, settings, And right here, use the toggle switch to enable this. As you can see now, the suggestion mode is on, and now we can start suggesting edit on our content. So the first type of suggestion is a formatting edit. So let's say if I wanted to emphasize the word multi-collab here. So maybe I want it to be in bold and italic. As you can see now that the suggestion mode is enabled, it's recorded immediately here by the side. As you can see, format, bold and italic. And now anyone coming along can either accept or reject the suggestion. So see what happens when I accept the suggestion. As you can see, those changes have taken place automatically. And the second type is a word change suggestion. So for instance, here where collaborators can propose changes without altering the original content. Now, if I wanted to change the word propose for suggest, what I can do is highlight this one. I'm going to hit the delete key now. And as you can see, it's crossed off now. And now I can type the actual term that I would like to suggest. Okay, so let's say suggest. Now, again, anyone coming along can either accept or reject the suggestion. So let's accept the change. And there you go. As you can see, those changes have taken place. And again, all these activities are being recorded directly in your WordPress dashboard under the Multicollab tab. As you can see, they are recorded here chronologically from the newest to the oldest. And it's very easy now for anyone from within your organization to come along, simply log into the dashboard and see what's happening. You can go into the report section as well. So here's the same principle, just a different layout. As you can see, these are all your blog posts being listed. You can see who's working on them and also all the latest activities. Now, the main purpose of Multicollab is to help you have a perfect seamless collaboration when you work on your different blog posts. And obviously, the integration here with Slack is primordial, in which case you can use this as well and link that directly to Multicollab. And when you do so, all your notifications will also be posted on your Slack channel. And as you can see, these are all the different changes that we just made together, and now you can act upon it immediately from here. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Now if you are interested and would like to try this out for yourself, we offer a 30-day free trial of our Pro plan where you can test all the Multicollab features. So for this, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and this will bring you to this page, and under the Pro heading, simply click on this button here. Now simply enter a few details and that's it. You're ready to enjoy the Pro version of Multicollab for free for 30 days. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.